This is beta 7-inch, resolution of 800 by 480, this is a cap touch display. So turning it around, you can see the processor board in the middle with a micro SD, which we've got in this case Android loaded on, as well as a variety of other interfaces. If we apply the power, 5 volts, Android takes around about 30 to 40 seconds to boot. So you'll see the animation come on the screen, and you can create your own animation. The web is littered with the instructions on how to do that, whether that's your logo, whether it's instructions and like unit calibrating or please wait or whatever you want it to be. But essentially it'll then boost into the desktop environment, and in this case you can see a demo that we've created using Android Studio, which is kindly provided by Google for free, and you can see how each of the buttons animates when you get a press, and we've linked the up and down buttons to the brightness control, so you can see how that works. Very, very responsive and very, very quick and easy to create under Android. So this is a beta 4.3. The resolution is 480 by 272. It's a cap touch TFT, and on the back you've got the microprocessor in the center. It's an ARM Cortex A9, and the operating system's loaded on the micro SD. We've got a range of interfaces which we can talk about in other videos, but this one's focused on the fast boot capability of beta. So if we apply power, which on this unit is a 5 volt, and then turn it around, you can see that within a second or so we have the Linux Penguin, and then shortly afterwards we've booted into Qt 5.5 and the demo's running. This one's using our API that allows access to the brightness control, but the API does far more than that. Just to show you the boot sequence again, if we reboot, you get the Linux Penguin, and then you're into Qt. And that's how quick your Linux application can run on any one of the beta products.